Hey y'all, it is Tuesday and I have awoken to my Michael's package. It is raining outside, so the package is wet. So I'm hoping that the yarn inside is wrapped up and that it didn't get wet. So let's open this bad boy up. Oh, there's like a little roly-poly on here. Oh my God. Are you guys ready for this? I don't think you're ready. I'm not ready. Holy moly. So this is Oceana. And this color is Oyster. And I'm gonna make a cardigan with this color. So now that we have opened up the package, I'm gonna get rid of the really wet box. And I'm just blown away by how much yarn. I mean, it says 1,029 yards, and I knew they were gonna be big and it was gonna be a lot of yarn, but I was not prepared. I mean, look at this. It's bigger than my head. That's a lot of yarn. I'm gonna be set on yarn for a little while. All right, I'm in my kitchen. I have a bunch of chicken here. I don't wanna tilt it because there's a lot of water underneath it. It thawed out in the fridge last night. And I'm going to go ahead and get it marinated for dinner tonight. So we're gonna move it to this bag. And this is already cleaned and trimmed chicken. It was only 2 big chicken breasts. Okay. I thought this was more chicken than that. Alright, I always wear gloves. Okay, and we're gonna get rid of this. There's a little gunk on this. I'm going to make Italian chicken. So I have a couple cloves of garlic. I have some lemons and some zesty Italian dressing. I'm also going to add a little bit of olive oil and a little bit of balsamic vinegar. This isn't like the best lighting, but it's going to do for now. And then for seasonings, I'm gonna do onion powder, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, and then whatever kind of, well, salt and pepper, obviously, and then whatever other Italian kind of seasonings are in there. A little bit of paprika for taste and color. Oh, I have smoked paprika. And then, yeah, so let me grab all my seasonings and then I can list them out to you. Olive oil. Just about a tablespoon of olive oil. And then same with balsamic. Probably a couple tablespoons, like 2 tablespoons worth of balsamic vinegar. Okay, I probably did a little bit more than 2 tablespoons. And then a healthy amount of the zesty Italian dressing. Now I'm going to juice the lemons. I have my juicer. Cut my lemons in half. Get some nice freshness in here. But you know what? I should have you looking at the bag of chicken. Alright. And then going to crush my garlic. This isn't probably really necessary, but oh well. When you have a garlic press, it makes it easy at least to mince up the garlic. Let's see if I can crush all this at one go. Yep. Okay. And let me throw these away, and then it is seasoning time. So obviously we're going in with more garlic. Garlic powder. I'm going to do onion powder, and I'm going to do some minced onion. Oh, it has a thing on it. So we'll just shake this for a little while. Okay. Gonna do just a touch of cayenne. Some Italian seasoning. Get a healthy amount in there. Somebody said twisting it. Oh yeah, there we go. It was a good way to get it out. Oh well. It was working, but like not as fast as I would want it to. Okay, that's good. And then I have a little bit of Montreal steak seasoning just for some flavor and a little bit of extra spice. We usually put this on our chicken. Gonna go in with a little bit of basil, not a lot, just a little bit. Again, just taking a little bit of all this Italian seasoning that I have in there. So a little bit of basil, a little bit of oregano. Ooh, the lid's off, good. And we have a little bit of rosemary. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this lid off because I won't get any out if I don't. A little bit of rosemary. have some garlic parmesan. Can never have enough garlic. And the parmesan will add a nice little flavor. And then, of course, some smoked paprika. Get like a healthy amount in there. All right, and then we can't forget salt and pepper. Alright, and then I'm going to go ahead and close this and give this a good mixing around. There we go. So I'll make sure that all the seasonings are mixed up in there. Massage it into the chicken a little bit. This is still really cold. Alright, make sure this is sealed up properly. Okay, and then I'm going to put it in a bowl to make sure it doesn't spill. Okay, and then this is going back into the fridge to marinate for a couple hours. All right, I'm about to do a Walmart order to pick up later because we only have 4 potatoes. My dogs are fighting in the background, so forgive me for that. They're playing. Anyway, so I need potatoes for dinner, and then we have some carrots, but I also want to get some stuff to make a nice big salad to go along with it. So we're going to do boiled potatoes, roasted carrots, and then have a nice big garden salad. Happy Friday. Right now, I just got out of bed, and it's like 3 o'clock in the afternoon, but I stayed up super late last night for absolutely no reason, just doom scrolling through TikTok. So I'm going to make myself something to eat really fast. Then I'm going to run a couple errands. We're going to stop at Starbucks. And we're going to go to Michael's because I have finished up most of my cardigan project. And I need some yarn to go like up and down the sides and to do the cuffs. So let me go show you my new little cardigan that I made. Girls, wanna go outside? Yeah? All right, let's go. So she's thick, but here's the cardigan. I made this, y'all. So it just needs some ribbing, so it's gonna go along the back of the neck, down the sides, on the bottom, and then to do the cuffs. But this is her. I'm pretty proud of this. I whipped this up in 2 days. Let's see. I think with the ribbing it'll be a little bit longer, but I might add a couple more rows to the bottom. I don't know, I kind of like this length. It doesn't really go with what I'm wearing, but that's okay. I just wanted to show it off.
Hello, I'm Starbucks. What can I get for you?
Can I get a grande iced brown sugar oat milk latte? thing, the shaken espresso drink.
Yes, you can. Anything else for you?
That's gonna be it.
All right, your total will be $6.75 at the window.
All right, thank you. You too. Cheers. All right, first errand down, next to Michael's. So I went into Best Buy with the intentions of just pricing a laptop, just to see what I could afford, which I can't afford it. Yeah, I bought a laptop today. I wasn't planning on it, but it was on sale. It was only on sale for 2 more days, and it was a good deal. So, and I have 2 months to use it, see if I like it. If I don't, I can return it. So, you know, I have that going for me at least. All right, so, okay, I wanted to find a color close to this, like pinky color to do the cuffs with and stuff, but they didn't have anything. It was either too pink or too brown. So I do have a light, like a golden beige color that I just used on my star blanket that I think will look actually really nice with the with this cardigan. So I'm going to use that to do the cuffs and the ribbing. And then on deck for the next cardigan I got this gorgeous, what is this called? Cinnamon swirl cake in chocolate swirl. Beautiful. I mean, stunning. She is beauty, she is grace, and I can't wait to make another one with this. I got 2 cakes. I might need 3, but they only had 2 in the store, so I'm gonna start with the 2 cakes, and then if I need another one, then I will order it. And that concludes my errands for today on its unexpected stop at Michael's, or I'm sorry, Best Buy. And then Michael's, and actually I gotta stop and get gas, and then I'm going home for the rest of the day. I'm gonna play with my new laptop. Hey y'all, it's Sunday night and I'm editing the vlog on my new laptop. And I'm really enjoying it. It's really fast, it's really user-friendly, and I'm probably gonna end up keeping it because I am enjoying using it. For this next week, I do work every day, but I do have some meal prepping and I'm getting back into Pilates. So I may have a couple of things that I will be able to put in a vlog. In the meantime, I would love and appreciate if you liked, commented, and if you go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that way you'll be notified when I do upload some new content. And as always, I will catch you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.